Hello everyone. Today we'll see on how we can update data in a SQL Server relation database. So basically, the command which we'll be working on today is update. So I have this table called person.address. So as you can see, I've just queried out top 10 rows from this table. It has quite a few columns: address line, city, and other states. Let's just say from this table I'll just filter it out, city to the same one, bottle. Okay, now I'll just remove the stop condition. So I have around something 26 rows. Now there is a requirement that the postal code for this city has been changed. It's just we are assuming just for testing purpose. So basically, let's say I want to update this postal code from 98011 to 98012. So let's see how we can do that. So let's see, we can just, instead of selecting, we can just write update table name, personal address. We'll use a set command, set postal code is equal to 98012, where city is equal to bottom. Now you can see, we'll just go and execute it directly. It will update it. But now, let's say if you're working on some prediction database or any other, be it a staging environment, where you are not sure about the number of rows it is updating and other records, you can always make use of the begin and commit or rollback transactions. So basically, what a begin and commit or rollback transaction does is, you will begin a transaction, you will update the record whatsoever you want. If you feel that you have updated correctly, then you will simultaneously go and commit the transaction or even roll back the transaction if you feel something is not right. So that's the most conventional way to do updating the records. Now what I'll do is I'll just go and update it back to 98011. But now I'll be using a begin tran. Here I'll just write it down, commit tran, but I'll be not using it. And I'll also write rollback tran. Basically, I'm just commenting out. I'll execute the begin tran. So transaction has been started. So now I'll just go and update this table. Now 26 rows have been updated. So now I will just go and do a select start from center address, where city equal to the, okay. Now this is as part of the same transaction. See, now it got updated to 98011. So I'm pretty sure that it is correct. Then I'll do what I'll do is I'll just go and commit this transaction. Now again, I'll just copy this. Now again, I'll execute this. The postal code has been updated correctly. Now let's just say I'll begin the transaction again. But now I forgot to mention the where condition. So let's just say instead of updating for one city, I've updated for all the cities in the table. I'll just go and execute this. Yes, there's some check constraints on this table. I'll do one thing. I'll use the city condition, but I'll update the postal code, some junk values, let's say x dot xi. Now I'll just go and update this. It has been updated. Now I'll do one query for this same city. But now I see this has been wrongly updated. Now I can just simply go and, instead of committing it, I'll just need to go do a rollback. Now I'll just let me execute this statement again. it has been rolled back again. So this way we can effectively use a begin and a commit or rollback transactions. So this basically works as a validation before we update anything in the production. So this is a very simple use case, but in general, when we are working on a prediction, we can't go and manually update, commit, or rollback transactions, right? So there is more dynamic way of handling this commit and rollback way, which we will discuss in the later session. Thank you.